The small business secret weapon: how AI on Google is driving massive growth. Introduction. Welcome to the show. If you are a small business owner, your biggest challenges are likely time and resources. You wear every hat: CEO, marketing director, head of customer service, and bookkeeper. But what if you had a powerful, tireless assistant ready to handle all the repetitive, time-consuming tasks? That's no longer a fantasy. It's the reality of using artificial intelligence, particularly the features integrated right into Google Search and the familiar Google Workspace apps like Docs, Sheets, and Gmail, powered by Gemini. This episode explores how this accessible AI technology is becoming the secret weapon for small businesses to not just survive, but thrive, boosting productivity by as much as 20%, the equivalent of gaining an extra day in your work week. Revolutionizing sales and marketing. For any small business, success starts with getting the word out. AI fundamentally changes the game for your sales and marketing efforts. Imagine overcoming writer's block instantly. With AI, you can generate first drafts for an entire marketing calendar's worth of content, from targeted ad copy and social media posts to detailed blog outlines, in minutes. Simply input your topic and brand voice, and let a tool like the "Help Me Write" feature in Docs deliver a cohesive, ready-to-edit draft. Beyond content, AI acts as your dedicated market analyst. It can rapidly research current market trends, analyze customer data, and identify lucrative business opportunities that you might otherwise miss. It even helps you create stunning pitch decks. With Gemini integrated into Google Slides, you can use simple text prompts to generate beautiful presentations and find relevant images, turning hours of design work into minutes. This ensures your campaigns are highly targeted and your marketing spend is maximized by reaching the most receptive audience. Elevating customer service and experience. Customer service is where a small business truly stands out, and AI ensures your service is always exceptional, even when you are asleep. The best part? You can offer 24/7 support without hiring more staff. AI-powered chatbots can handle a high volume of common customer inquiries instantly and accurately. For more complex issues that require an email, AI can draft and personalize replies, drawing from your company's knowledge base to ensure a consistent, professional, and timely response. This significantly reduces the workload on your human agents, allowing them to focus on high-touch, complex problem-solving. Furthermore, AI can analyze transcripts from calls, emails, and chat sessions to create detailed customer profiles and spot trends in feedback. This is invaluable data that you can use to refine your products, services, and overall customer experience, turning a complaint into a strategic business insight. Operational efficiency and actionable data. Perhaps the most immediate benefit of AI is the gift of time. By automating the mundane, AI frees you up for high-value strategic work. Think about your administrative headaches. AI can automate repetitive tasks like scheduling appointments, organizing your overflowing email inbox, and building complex project trackers in Google Sheets, all from a simple text command. One of the most practical tools is the ability to simplify expense tracking. AI can automatically extract key details from receipts in your Gmail, organize them into a doc, and populate a tracking spreadsheet, dramatically simplifying bookkeeping and reducing the risk of human error. On the data front, AI turns raw numbers into actionable intelligence. Features like Deep Research and Notebook LM can analyze massive amounts of online sources and documents from your Google Drive, identifying market trends and informing competitive strategies. Instead of manually creating reports, AI can instantly visualize this data, creating clear charts and graphs that make complex information easy to understand, speeding up data-driven decision-making. Conclusion. The integration of AI into platforms like Google Workspace isn't just a futuristic concept. It's a ready-to-use toolkit designed for the small business owner. It provides the competitive edge you need, allowing you to operate with the efficiency of a much larger company. By leveraging AI to automate content creation, personalize customer interactions, streamline operations, and convert data into insights, you are not just speeding up workflows, you are driving sustainable, competitive growth. The choice is clear. Use this powerful, accessible technology to reclaim your time and focus on what you do best, growing your business.